Let me check the Somalians, make some noise. Wait, hold on. Everybody looks shocked like Somalians are going to university. No, don't cuss me, brother. It was them. I'm on your side. Everybody else went, Somalians. What's he? Oh, no, yeah, you're Somalian. Because you look coolie. That's why you look half Indian. They can't tell, but I can. Somalians, I don't mess with them. You see, you laugh at Somalians. Be careful with Somalians, you know. Black History Month, be aware Somalians come from a country that we couldn't handle, right? We think that we live in a rough place. Somalians carry guns from 2 years old. Them man, they are gangster for no reason. They're just born that way. Like, yeah, they're 2 years old, take the dummy down, put a machine gun in their head, go on. Go guard the house, guard the house. They're not even allowed to cry when they get shot. Don't cry. Firm in a gunshot, you know. It's nothing. It's nothing. I tell you how tough they are. They will trick you into making you feel that they're by themselves. They're not by themselves. Do not make the mistake and approach a Somalian, try start a fight with a Somalian by himself. You'll get fucked up. You cannot make that mistake. My friend is a Jamaican, well, he's Jamaican. He's driving through Streatham, and there's a part of Streatham, as you know, a little bit of Somalia town right there. Okay, my friend's driving through and accidentally nearly ran over a Somalian. He literally didn't mean to. Somalian jumped out of the way. He's vexed. He's saying what with a bumper clot in Somalia. You see, whatever. I don't know what he's saying, but I assume he was upset. So my friend, because you know one thing, Somalis, you don't even get it, right? White people, you think that white people can be racist. Black people are the most racist people on the planet because they hate themselves. You have nothing on us, white people. So black people, Africans are racist against Somalians, even though it's the same country, right? So black people have got this thing. My friend come out the car going, wait, a Somalian being cheeky with me? So he come out the car and literally goes, oi, who are you talking to? I'll bust a man's head. The Somalian, who he thought was by himself, because there was no one else around. The Somalian looked at him and went, surrounded. Somalians came from the trees. I was like, Jesus Christ, wait. Yeah, your bomber claw. So I don't mess with Somalians, you're trickery.